problems with cell signal coverage on the road, and you find yourself in need of a more cost-effective solution, there's always Drive X by WeBoost. Drive X is our standard multi-user cell signal booster for in-vehicle use. Compatible with all U.S. carrier networks, phones, and cellular connected devices, Drive X puts an end to the dropped calls, missed texts, and slow data speeds you may often experience while on the road or driving through remote locations with fewer cell towers and unreliable signal reception. And when it comes to faraway towers, the Drive X is capable of enhancing cell signal at distances up to 33% farther than the Drive Sleek WeBoost single-user vehicle booster. Installed in minutes without tools, Drive X is ideal for all types of people and vehicles. Simply put the mini-mag antenna in place on the rooftop towards the center, but away from existing vehicle antennas or sunroofs. Run the antenna cable through a side door or hatchback. For vehicles with an aluminum body, an adhesive mounting disc is included. Then, connect it to the Drive X booster. Connect the inside antenna to the booster. Finally, connect the power supply to the booster and power it up. Right away, everyone in your vehicle will start to enjoy better voice quality, uninterrupted text, faster data speeds, and improved streaming capability anywhere the road takes you in the US, regardless of the carrier or phone they use. There's a more affordable way to get reliable cell signal coverage. The Drive X by WeBoost.
We've updated the turn-by-turn directions to make them easier to read and to better handle cases with complex maneuvers. Active Trip is now available when you're on a trip. Inside the Active Trip activity, ending a trip is easy. If your destination has a phone number, you'll have the option to call. If it's a contact, you can now tap to let them know you're on the way with a call, shared trip, or a short message. You can also see a list of all of your upcoming maneuvers and traffic on each segment of the route. We've added traffic and speed camera indicators on the map, with optional audible alerts to help you avoid getting a ticket. Map mode has a new speed limit sign which appears when you're exceeding the speed limit. We've also made significant updates to dash mode. Many of the gauges are now more responsive, and we've added a number of new features, including several new gauges that keep you driving safely. The speed limit gauge always shows you the speed limit of the current street. The new Drive Score gauge helps guide you to be the best driver you can be. It starts at 100 and keeps score on each drive. Speeding, excessive speeding, hard braking, hard acceleration, and high G maneuvers reduce your score over time. The engine temperature gauge shows you when your car is warm and ready to go. And your G-meter gauge shows your lateral G-forces when you accelerate, brake, and take tight turns. You'll see the G-force indicated numerically, as well as the direction intensity of the force. You can now customize your dash and select which gauges you do and don't see. In addition to selecting the center gauge. Quickly replying to a text message while on the road has never been easier with Navdy. You can now reply to messages from a glance, selecting replies like "I'm on my way" and "I'm running late." You can customize these messages using the messaging section in Settings in the Navdy mobile app. We've made the menu faster and more responsive. In the top of the menu, the activity tray provides quick access to map and dash options, active trip, now playing for your music, unread glances, active phone calls, and software updates if they are available. No matter where you are in the menu, a simple swipe to the right closes the menu and gets you back on track in map or dash mode.
In the past 4 years, LANMODO focuses on night vision technology and offers thousands of drivers new driving experience. Introduce LANMODO Fast M1, an ultimate full-color night vision device for safe driving at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, support dual 1080-pixel camera, 7-layer glasses blacklight lens. With the latest blacklight lens and Sony CMOS chip, LANMODO Fast M1 improves the night vision performance to a new level in total darkness. "75-degree front camera can let driver have a wild view. The night vision distance can be up to 300 meters. Drivers can avoid animals beside the road when night driving. The black light lens reduces the effect of glare. 360-degree rotate, you can choose the best place to install the camera. Afraid of bad weather? No problem. LANMODO Fast M1 will offer you a clear view in dark road, rainy, foggy, or snowy weather. 2-way to power on. Connect with OBD or cigarette lighter. It can work. 3 installations. LANMODO Fast M1 can fit in any car. 170-degree rear camera, 24-hour parking monitor. Can help you park the car easily even in darkness. Our mission is to protect you on the way. LANMODO, true night vision.